Hand clap to well, I can't do hand clap, brothers and sisters. But welcome to every single one of you guys who tuned into yet another vibrations on this here Mystelics Reacts channel. And of course, as promised, welcome to this here Saturday edition, brothers and sisters. I don't normally post on Saturday, but I told you guys that I was gonna be posted on Saturday. And here I am once again, brothers and sisters. So I appreciate you guys for definitely tuning into another vibrations. Of course, all the Mystelics family, big up on yourself, ultra large, all over the entire universe right there. And of course, on the comments are there. Big up on yourself one time for tuning into these vibrations. I would appreciate it if you guys definitely subscribe to become a part of the Mystelics family. Right there, brothers and sisters. Of course, that will be a nice vibrations. Of course, by you being notified when I post my videos or publish my videos right there. So definitely subscribe and of course become a part of the Mystelics family in that regard right there. Of course, don't forget to click the thumbs up button. I would appreciate that. And of course, with that said right there, brothers and sisters, let us get into the vibrations for today. Of course, there is an accident or incident that has taken place near the Do It Center area, and as you can clearly see right there, brothers and sisters, there is some bit of a traffic jam taking place. And it looks like some individuals are over there. Hopefully nothing crazy has happened as a result of this. I don't know, over the season, brothers and sisters, we had a number of accidents taking place, including a number of lives that has been lost. So sympathies goes out to the family and friends of these individuals, including that of which I must make mention of the very same sentiment known as, well, not sentiment, but that of the passing of Patos, Iron Man, Henry, brothers and sisters, Edgar Henry, right there. It's very interesting that on January 14th of this year, remember I was saying something very interesting, brothers and sisters, last year, that a number of persons might not make it to the end of 2024. Some people will make it to the end of 2025, to the end of 2024, make it to 2025, but won't make it to the end of 2025 right there. And so said, so done, brothers and sisters, on merit of somebody I actually know myself. And Pat, of course, indicated something on January 14th, 14 days after the new year. Bring back large family get-togethers without it being a funeral. Can you imagine making such a statement in that regard, brothers and sisters, and not realizing that your days were counting down to just a month and a half later? To just a month and a half later. That you would be the one bringing families back together again, families and friends, as a result of them saying final farewells to you. Very interesting thing right there, brothers and sisters. Sometimes we utter things and we don't know that our days have been numbered. TikTok. This is why I always tell people, yes, have fun in this life. This life was meant to be enjoyed. That is what it was meant to be, brothers and sisters, enjoyed. But do not be in such an enjoyment mood that you forget the Creator. It is better to be prepared to meet the Creator. The only way you can meet the Creator is through His Son, Yeshua. Right there, brothers and sisters. So keep that in mind. Be prepared to meet the Creator. Well, I say in His Son. The Son is actually the Creator. So very interesting. The Father, yeah. Anyways, go into that nitty-gritty right there. You need to go through the Son to get to the Father, Yeshua, right there, brothers and sisters. Anyways, bring back, and of course, very important message right there. Bring back large family gatherings and get-togethers without it actually being at a funeral right there. Talking about that, brothers and sisters, I must make mention of this sentiment that is taking place tonight. Of course, the candlelight vigil in memory of Pat Iron Man Henry will take place tonight, March 8th, 2025 at 7 p.m. at the accident site, brothers and sisters. That is, of course, Fonkole region near the Kinfield Cliff region, around that region right there. That's where it took place. So, of course, a number of persons will be there. Hopefully, you guys are there as well. I just posted this also that other individuals can see. Obviously, brothers and sisters, it's going to be a sad time. But still, we have to celebrate life, man. Why do we celebrate life at the end of life? Anyways, that's a whole other topic right there, brothers and sisters. This is Saturday. I don't want to get too deep. This will take place tonight, brothers and sisters. Make sure you are there, those who are supporting. I also have to get some good news on that, brothers and sisters. That 2025 Road March results indicated that none other than trendsetter DPP took Road March, brothers and sisters, for 2025 right there. First place in that regard. It's very interesting that while I was passing around ROSEAU, brothers and sisters, you notice, and people were just peeping in the road. Yes. Not in the road, in certain areas, man. There was one particular woman, I don't know, she drank plenty water because it's like a river. I just hear. I turn around and I said, oh my goodness. You know, the lady was just DPPing, man. Really saying DPP. Yes. Man, and you see a number of persons and you wonder, boy, what I stepping on the boy? Because when it dry, you don't know what are there. You think it's bare concrete? No. ROSEAU need a thorough cleaning up, brothers and sisters. Trust me on that, eh? We know what the PP stand for, but the real PP vibrations, brothers and sisters, they need to do some cleansing right there. Talking about cleansing, brothers and sisters, there was a bit of a fiasco that took place, and of course, I indicated yesterday I was going to be reacting to it. So apparently there's some girl making noise that some other girl, bruh, women, I don't know. Like Triple K them says, only women and children that fighting nowadays, and I don't think that is a good thing. You know, maybe fellas checking if I too much or something, I don't know. So man checking, oh, we need some action, some drama, and as a result of that, they themselves just start causing ruckus in the place. Well, apparently this girl decided to go, I guess, at somebody's job or something, and she checking she want to cause a ruckus in the place, man.
Say somebody to me. Yeah. Not to act like you crazy, because me like crazy, because look at the dictionary, and my name on
what? Why would you want to be crazy though? I've never heard that being crazy is a good thing. How? And then you're saying that your name, I'm guessing she's speaking metaphorically, because I actually Googled crazy and I didn't see your name there. I didn't see your name. All right. So you saying that is not true? You know, if you're trying to make noisy people, why you spewing lies for first? You mustn't spew lies. Best you go at your home. The person in their job or wherever, I don't know what that person be, but you making noise outside, really?
I don't want nowhere, because it's bad shit.
What is the purpose? What is your purpose, sir? What is your purpose? What is the cinema you making right now, lady? You in the road making noise, the other person making noise, you probably don't even know you making noise with them. You in the road just making useless noise. Useless, arbitrary noise. If you have something to confront with somebody, deal with it in an adult manner. Say, hey, I didn't like what you did to me. I don't like what you did to me. You came to me and I didn't like that kind of stuff. I think we need to resolve this thing in an amicable, I would like you to apologize or something. Making noise. Have you guys ever seen that ever happen? Where two people fighting, especially women, when women just on the verge of just making themselves look like, I don't know, they don't have proper thinking brain or something. Not all of them. A lot of them, when you see them fighting, they just talk larger and scream and all this. Don't you know empty barrels make the most noise? There's no substance inside there, so they're just making noise. You in the middle of the streets, making useless noise, and nobody know who you're talking about. Making that make sense. But brothers and sisters, have you ever in your life see two women just making noise with each other, and that solve anything? I've never seen it. Never ever seen it. No. Sometimes I see some fellas fighting, and then afterwards, probably a few months later, them fellas cool, they chill, they good with each other. But I've never seen women fighting with each other and there's a positive outcome. Is either they stay vexed with each other or they don't want to talk to each other. All kind of stupidness. Yo.
I vex you like I can't.
You mad and you vex? What did you say?
I vex you like I can't.
Why? Why you want to eat her for? She eat you?
Tell me the original. Because you call my phone how much time, you message my phone how much time about a old.
But if she message, you give her your number or something. You give her your number and you're talking about a man body parts. Both of all you share that man body part or something? Bruh.
You message my phone how much time about a old. Okay, man. Wrong, Dominica.
So probably all you mess with the same man and you say the man, but wait a while though. If you mess with the man and the girl mess with the man and she send you a picture of the man privates, you know, his shaft. She sent you a picture of his shaft. Huh? It's not in the boss to be changing gas. I don't know what you're going to. And then you're saying that apparently that shaft has been Dominica wide. Wrong the island. You proud? You proud to say that indirectly, you saying you were one of those who participated. That's what you say. You say it wrong, the island, but you were one of those who participated. Really, bruh?
You know, all of us and your mother, and it's me also your mother.
What the girl mother have to do with that? Ella, the girl mother probably in church, praying, hoping for everything to, and you just cursing the girl mother. What it? Poor mother. Where your mother now?
I had a first time you get a man, your mother.
But if it's first time she gets a man, and then she's sending you a picture of his shaft, his rod, his staff. She's sending you a picture of his staff for some reason. That means you also involved in that. You involved. And you are then making noise as if you higher than the girl somehow because she's sending a picture of his rod and his staff for you. Really? Bruh.
Well, I ran looking for me now.
But how she looking for you? Not you that go and look for the person. You come wherever the person be, you looking for the person. And you saying it's the person that looking for you. But what kind of thing is that, boy?
Passing past straight, I doesn't trouble you when I'm telling nothing, girl.
But right now, you're going to trouble the person. Now, brothers and sisters, don't get me wrong. I'm not sure the story of the other person, but my goodness gracious. You say the person, pass them straight. You decide no. The person, whatever. For you just let bygones be bygones. Let it pass, you know? No. You decide you want to be the very person that will do the very thing that you're hoping for the girl to do, that she don't doing. You want to be the instigator. Why?
You think like I would have.
Oh, so she confront you.
No! I'm a beast, you know that.
But if she was a beast, what kind of beast are you? Huh? You a Teletubby beast? Huh? Because Teletubbies are beasts too, you know. They Teletubby. They terrify. Teletubbies is one of the most terrifying beasts on this planet. Terrifying. So maybe you was a Teletubby beast. Huh? Or a gremlin, whichever one, I don't know. But you know that you terrifying. You use a beast. And the girl still come and check you. She still come and check you. Apparently, you're not a beast as you think.
No! I'm a beast, you know that. Act like you know.
But if she know that you're a beast, why should she act like she knows you're a beast? Maybe she realizing you're not a beast at all. And you outside there just making useless noise. People trying to work, when you start talking, they're stopping work to see distribute it. You say entertainment in ROSEAU. My girl, and that is. You really look like Teletubby for me. What is the pink one name? Tinky Winky? I don't know, brothers and sisters. Help me out there. You looking like what are you for real?
Because 5:25 Carnival Monday. She don't walk up on me, no, she and her friend.
Well, she and her friend walk up on you. Apparently, you're not as beastly as you think you are. They walk up on you, and apparently you don't do nothing about it. No, I would expect you. She and her friend come up on you Monday. You and your squad, you should come up too. Not true. It's not a ruckus you want in society. No, you and your squad, you should come and cause a ruckus. But apparently that is not the case. You come by yourself. Oh, you was high. But wait a while. All you see each other in ROSEAU after the Carnival Monday. You say you pass her straight, and for some reason or the other, you decide is now you have food. Now you have food because you're making noise? Really? Bruh. But lady, right now, it's not the other person that making noise. No, it's you. It's you that making noise in the streets. Yes. You making noise in the street, disturbing the peace. I don't know if that's a friend or somebody, but the person waving here, How you doing now? Everything nice, man. Apparently the other one are friends because boy. What a darling boy. What is that? This is life. Come long now. Just go to home now. You make your noise already. Go to your home. Go to your home. Go to your home. What they calling that romper? You and your romper. You and your pink romper. How you coming out as a beast with a pink romper? What kind of beast? What is that? A pink romper? You coming to make noise? That's you don't ready yet. You don't ready yet. Yes, sir. It is, brothers and sisters, who had to blow it out. So apparently, some man come and they play in a hugging contest. And then the girl end up inside the hospital. Is it hospital? What they call it? Not the pharmacist or whatever they call it that thing. Doctor's office. And both of them start going on, man. So, brothers and sisters, when you instigating a challenge or you're trying to instigate a fight or something of that sort, be the one that will be winning. How you making noise, all that noise, just for people to be filming you getting blows? See, that's the one in the pink there. That is the one in the blue jeans and the orange shirt. The orange shirt is apparently the girl she's talking about there. And then the orange shirt giving us some licks. Some serious licks while those they play the hugging contest.
Look, stabbing there. Oh, God,
too melee. And then the cameraman self run inside, the camera woman. Remember the orange one is the one she making us with. And look the pink one on the chain. Oh, get him. I tell you, you should have got your home. You should have got your home. Leave well alone. I wonder if they're filming you making noise in the middle of the streets. And then they're filming you next video getting beat. I don't understand this thing there. How you making noise? Empty barrel truly make the most noise. Now you asking the girl to let you go. You should have got your home. You should have got your mother's homes, man. Or your father's home, whichever. You should have got your home. Asking the girl to let you go now. You come and look the girl trouble and you ask her to let you go. But some of all, you're really creative. Now myself, I don't know what's going on there. That probably was before. Guys, the moral of this story. If you back in, I saw a video. As I see that there, let me put it for you guys. I saw that video. Very interesting. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, I was trying to look for it. I couldn't find it for some reason or the other. But I saw some dogs. Some dogs are running full speed ahead, coming down the streets. That's the video that I saw, guys. Some dogs coming full speed down the streets. Seeing some other dogs, and they backing. All those dogs, those pit bull dogs was watching these dogs like, try something. Just try something. It reminds me of that particular girl right there, making all this noise just for her to get a milking. I don't understand why. Why would you do something? Hey. No, brothers and sisters, I'm not an advocate for these kind of things right there. But when people on social media, and they themselves, they're not in it, but they in it, They say, rule number 1, tie up your hair or take out the wig. That's one of the rules too. Rule number 2, don't play bad and you're the one getting. You see, I told you, if you didn't see the video properly, if you didn't see it, well, yeah. You playing bad, making noise, saying you're a beast in a pink romper. Looking like a Teletubby. Looking like you're about to get a heart attack or something. My God. Anyways, you playing bad and you getting blues. That camera person will never see heaven. The person was running to get the action everywhere. You see how the person was secretly trying to do a like a side recording there in the public. And then the person said another action happening inside. The person bolts. The person check and I have to get that on film. So yes, that person might not see heaven for real. So it's interesting, brothers and sisters. Tell us people, stop fighting there. Stop doing those things there. Why? Why? Bruh. People just embarrass themselves. Just want to embarrass themselves willfully. You coming in the street making noise. You make noise. Go home now. You say the person meet you on Carnival Monday. They must have talked to you rough or whatever. And then all you check all you see. You meet the person straight in ROSEAU. You pass the person straight. And for some reason or other, you coming back. Some of all you know is you know boy. Why? For what? And use the one that getting blows. What is going on? What is really going on? If your back is biter than your bites, go at your home, please. Go at your home. No, you embarrass yourself. You don't make it. Stop it. And stop it now. Alright? If you know you cannot tuffle, you cannot ruffle and tuffle, you're not Muhammad Ali. You cannot ruffle and tuffle. Go at your home. What you doing? Go home. Stay quiet. Now you just make yourself an embarrassment. The person that wasn't talking much, I didn't hear the other person that was giving you licks. Talking there. She herself quiet. And now you're telling the person to let you go. You not gonna look for the person. Boy, some of all you just not easier. Behave all yourself. Behave. Behave. You have to be telling adults, grown adults to behave. Some of all you grown in body, but you're still children. And all your mind. That's why the mind is the most important and powerful element of the human psyche, brothers and sisters. That mind. If you have that mind of somebody, you're in trouble. Just like Dominica, how Dominica is going down the drain. Seems like they have the minds of the Dominican people. Oh, we have hope and hope for better. 20 years has gone down the drain. Oh, we still have hope. The mind. Anyways, brothers and sisters, I don't want to get too serious in this vibe. But definitely be sure to tune out for this vibration, brothers and sisters, tonight. 7 p.m. it starts. And where we learn something, brothers and sisters, bring back large family get-togethers without it being a funeral. Today is Pat's memorial. Or candlelight vigil, I would have to say. And then it'll be his funeral. And he will never, ever, ever, that's it, no coming back. Brothers and sisters, there is no coming back for you. Once you live this life, there is no coming back. Now, from my understanding, the accident was not his fault. Apparently, the vehicle was going out and ended up jamming into him and, you know. Make your calling an election show, people. Enjoy this life. Make sure. That's all I have to say. All you know. All right. Anyways, brothers and sisters, give this video a thumbs up if you understand it. If you want to see more, definitely subscribe and turn on that post notifications so you can get the latest vibrations when they do definitely tend to come through. Right, it's a Mystelics once again. Be real. Salute the king always. Be positive.